Paneer Frankie roll is a popular street food made with flaky flatbread wrapped with paneer masala, crunchy sliced onions in vinegar, and tangy toppings. Think of it as an Indian burrito, and it's a great way to use up leftover curries and sabzis. Let's make it. Welcome to Savor Street. Thinly sliced 2 onions, thinly slice a green bell pepper, cut it in the middle. Take 200 grams of paneer, cut them into cubes. Let's prepare the marination. Take half a cup of thick curd in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, salt to taste. Squeeze half a lemon. Give it a good mix. Add the paneer cubes. Mix it until well coated. Cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the pickled onions. Take onion slices in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, pinch of salt. Combine well and keep it aside. Let's cook the Frankie roll or paratha. To make this flaky paratha, we have a separate video under egg roll. The link is shared in the description box below. Please check the video. Or if you don't have time to make at home, you can even use store-bought rolls or parathas. Let's prepare the masala paneer. Into a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the sliced onions. Saute for a minute or 2. Add the thinly sliced capsicum. Saute for a minute or 2 again. Toss in the marinated paneer. Mix. Adjust the salt. Cover and cook it for 10 minutes. Masala paneer for filling is ready. Take a Frankie roll on a plate. Add 1 teaspoon mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon ketchup and spread it all over. You can add any spreads of your choice such as green chutney or other sauces. Place the masala paneer on the center. Top with the pickled onion slices, chopped coriander leaves, spicy mayo or any sauce of your choice. Roll it and wrap it with a parchment paper. Spicy and super delicious Paneer Frankie is ready. Serve it as a snack or pack it for a grab and go meal. Delicious street food made at home is healthy and a fun way to cater to those snack time cravings. Serve it at parties or potlucks and it is sure to be a hit. Try this recipe and comment down below. Thank you for watching Savor Street. Like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video.